Hello everybody, in this video I will show in an example how to use componentDidMount. I will also explain what we have using a sequence diagram that Dan Abramov did. So I have here a Vite project that I've created. I will put inside a link to a video I did on creating React project using Vite. But for now, let's simply use here hello. Let's remove everything that we don't need. Okay, so this is what we have now. And I want to work with class component. So I will replace this with class component. What I want to do is go to JSON placeholder and get the number of posts and print on the DOM, on the UI, how many posts I got. Okay, so this is my task. So let's remove this. And I want to install Axios. Import Axios from Axios. And now what I will do, I will try first to do it to get the number of posts inside the constructor. So let's prepare a function, get posts, and let's we need to take this URL and now let's do Axios dot get URL dot then response, and because I want to put it inside the DOM, I need to create a state. Len is, and let's put here this dot state dot len. And now here we will do set state, and we will put here len response dot data dot len and catch error error. Okay, so this is the function, and now let's naively call it inside the constructor. This dot get posts. Let's see what will happen. And I need to fix here length. And now let's invoke it. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we see that we got a number, but we have here a warning. And the warning is said can't call set state on a component that is not yet mounted. So let's try to understand what does it mean. To understand what does it mean, we need to go to a sequence diagram that Dan Abramov did. Okay, so this is a sequence diagram that Dan Abramov did. You can click here and see him tweet about this. Okay, but if we are looking on this, and here we are on the mounting phase, and on the mounting phase we have a constructor, and we have render, and we have componentDidMount. And on constructor we are not allowed to do side effects, and side effects are operation like going to the network. And when can we do this? So we are allowed to do it here on componentDidMount. So the fact that it works is okay, but it is not at all recommended because we got a warning here, and in the future this might not work. And the solution is to use componentDidMount. Okay, so I will remark this. Warning. And simply use componentDidMount and simply call this dot get post, and this should work without a warning. Let's see. Let's refresh. Okay. We're getting 100 and we see no warning. And if we go back here, what we have here, this is the mounting phase. This is the mounting phase of the component. Constructor is invoked and rendering is invoked. And after the component is mounted for the first time, componentDidMount is called, and here we can use side effect like going to the network. And this is why now it is working. Thank you.